Hi Suzanne, how are you?
Good, thank you, Cyril. Nice to see you. Welcome.
Thank you. So today we are in a manor house, an exquisite domain, shall we say. Suzanne, tell me a bit more before we visit and explore that absolutely beautiful property. Tell me more about this area we are in today.
So we are in the Périgord vert, which is a very nice green area, but there's also hills and valleys, so really nice views. The property here is on the edge of the village, which makes it nice as well because we can see the church from the village here,
Beautiful.
From the house, and lovely properties just like this one. And it allows for people to live discreetly if they want to.
So what is this domain?
It's here a manoir, but it is like a small castle. That's
is.
what we have. And the owners here, they have done an amazing job in restoring it, trying to keep all the beautiful features, as you will see when we tour it, bringing it up to a totally modern standard. If we look at the DPE, we have exceptional rating, which is not something that we are used to in this area because of our old
Yes, you just showed
stones.
me 10 minutes ago. I was shocked by the DPA is a diagnostic of energy performance of a chateau. In a place like that, which, as you said, is almost 200 years old, it's rated BA. It's incredible. I mean, it's almost the performance you would get from a low consumption new house.
Exactly.
So yes, in terms of heating it or just avoiding to use an air conditioning system in the summer, it's perfectly isolated. So that's impressive.
They've done
I've
a really
never
good
seen
job.
that
No,
in a manoir.
no.
Never seen that.
Well, I think actually that's where this property actually is exceptional in many ways, because even around here we don't have many properties that are like that. It is quite unique in that way, and also in the quality of the restoration. They have
Perfect. I've seen it.
They've really wanted to bring it up to quality that they would have wanted to find. It's really sort of projecting themselves. How would people feel if they come and stay here? Is that how one would want to live, basically?
Yes, because we didn't mention it, and you'll see that later, it's a superb and really successful running business. The garden, which is 8,000 square meters?
Just under 8,000 square meters.
Flat.
Yeah.
Perfectly manicured garden. Maintenance is second to none. I mean, just like the rest of the property.
Absolutely.
The inside, the outside, there's nothing to do. If you look at the roofs now, all the roofs, and even the outbuildings, because there are several outbuildings, 1, 2, 3, and the little cottage,
the little pigeonnier, exactly.
All brand new. The roofs are brand new. So I didn't see the inside yet, but just touring this part of the garden, there's chickens there, I assume?
Yeah, so that is the little farm area that is closed off with a gate, but they provide, so there's what is consumed, their own eggs, and then one can hide away all the trailers and things like that one needs, but that is the sort of farm area.
And the vegetable garden?
Yeah.
So basically you are like producing your own tomatoes, salads, cucumbers, and so on. So how is it divided? So tell me, all those buildings behind us.
So we have the manoir that is here. We can see the outdoor kitchen that is by the swimming pool, which is very...
Lovely swimming pool. Huh?
Absolutely. And the outside kitchen, it has an open fireplace that you will see in a moment, but also everything else. There's even a dishwasher out there. So, I mean, you can provide a whole meal. Exactly. And then the big barn is more like an entertainment center. So we've got a sort of cinema part of it. There's an office there that can be used for whatever reason. And then there is more of a party room that can be for games or for a large meal or...
A wedding.
Yeah. No, it would be possible.
To the current owner, and he said that it's booked for 26 weeks this year and 11 weeks next year.
Already, exactly.
So, I mean, it's all half of a year.
You're
guaranteed to rent those 5-6 bedrooms?
6 bedrooms with 6 bathrooms in the
all ensuite,
manoir.
so.
Yes, absolutely. And then 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in the little cottage. One of the bedrooms is on the ground floor. That's also
you could rent the
something.
cottage, in fact.
You could, exactly. But then if you have a family member who you want to come to join you, maybe a grandparent or something, it also means there's easy access. And they have a little separate courtyard, so that makes it really nice. They can have their own outside space.
I love that place. It's beautiful. And let's have a look to it. Shall we?
Lovely, let's go.
Let's go. So here we are in front of the farmhouse, shall we say?
Yeah, this lovely traditional Périgourdine barn. See the features that are really of
Typical.
this area, absolutely. The roof shape and the lovely honey colour.
This limestone is beautiful.
Exactly, that we really appreciate. So this area has been left slightly wild because it is a farm, so we can hear chickens. We will hear them probably in a second. And it allows them to hide their trailers and all the equipment for maintaining the grounds, if one wants to have it all here.
Let's go and see the other side there.
Absolutely.
So here we are in the pool area, beautiful.
Yes, absolutely. So a nice big swimming pool, 12 by 6.
Just like the rest of the property, it's in perfect conditions.
Absolutely. And we've got a lovely outdoor kitchen, which is really
Covered.
big. We've got an open fireplace, so you can barbecue directly on that if you want to, or just have that for ambiance also. But there's all the equipment, even a dishwasher. So it makes it really easy to just spend your whole day here if you want to.
What a lovely pigeonnier.
It's cute, isn't it? And
What is it used for?
So it's used so children can play in it, but one could go in and sit and read. But it's a nice sort of little space, so it can be used for all sorts of things. But I think children really like to go in there and have secret meetings. That really works.
So, Suzanne, let's talk a bit about the interior of that beautiful manoir. What do we find on the ground level?
So on the ground level, we have a nice entrance, like one normally has in a property like this. We have a fully equipped kitchen that is very easy to work in, whether one has a chef come in to cook or if one wants to cook oneself. Dining room, and then following 2 sitting rooms, and dining room and the 2 sitting rooms face the garden. And then there is a little office and a loo on the ground floor, so that sort of finishes it off nicely.
First floor.
First floor. So there we have 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms and also a sort of laundry room. So each bedroom, of course, has its own bathroom, and so it makes for a nice layout of the rooms that sometimes, you have a little corridor to go down, etc., but it's beautifully laid out.
Second floor?
And then on the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, and we also have access to 2 terraced areas.
So, Suzanne, what a perfect scenery to end this tour of manoir you just presented to us. What would you say as a summary?
It's a perfect property. There's really, here we've got a renovation that has been done beautifully, and the castle comes furnished with all the equipment in it. And there are already bookings for next year if one wants to take those over.
It's a no-brainer.
Absolutely. It's a turnkey operation where all you have to do is just continue cutting the grass, and there you go. It's all yours.
If you want Suzanne to organize a viewing for you, all the details are below in the description of the video or in the comment section. She'll be happy to tour you around and show you this lovely property.
Absolutely. It would be a pleasure. Absolutely.
And I think that's it for today. See you in another beautiful property next time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.